Okay, a big shout out to the community of Club 250 Cent globally and to the rest of the world at large. I bring you greetings, and this is your man, Austin Billions. I want to say congratulations to the entire community of Club 250 Cent ahead of our contract launch on Sunday, being 10th of July 2022. And also, I want to appreciate the entire community of Club 250 Cent for the high spirit of understanding and patriotism that we have shown in the building of Club 250 Cent, especially with the regards of the pre-sales of our C250 gold that is ongoing. C250 gold is a wonderful coin that the world has never seen before, a coin that is propagated to continue to appreciate in value, a coin created after gold standard. Um, Ladies and gentlemen, we all know that the moment the takeoff of this project starts from 10th of July, there is no going back, and it's going to create an explosive impact everywhere in the world. I'm not going to waste much of your time. I intend to give us a detailed tutorial on how to get started, even though this video probably is coming your way when it is just a day or 2 days to its launch, but it is never too late to do the right thing. So, if you're coming across my video for the first time, subscribe to this channel, click on the red bell. It will notify you each time um, if a financial video, because of course this channel is dedicated for financial intelligence. So once a video is uploaded on this channel, you'll be notified as long as you are a family member of this community and a family member of this channel. So like I said, I want to take us through a tutorial on how to get started, how to let me just quickly go to my line up here for what I have to discuss with us. I'm sure everyone can see my screen. Okay. So, how to get started about all of the business of Club 250 Cent, especially at this pre-sale period. Number one, I have four items to talk about on this video. Number one is how to add Matic to Trust Wallet. Number two is how to add C250 Gold token to your Trust Wallet. Number three is how to connect Polygon Network to your Club 250 Cent website alongside with your Trust Wallet, how to connect Polygon Network to the Trust Wallet. And the last but not the least here, which is the part four, is how to buy C250 Gold. Of course, I have actually bought a number of units of this C250 Gold. Let me just take you guys right into my C250 Gold portal. Let's see how far is going on there. Okay, I am starting all over again to show you guys step by step, and I am actually going to do a reinvestment of $500 or probably less than $500 just to get some of you who are still finding it difficult to get acquainted with how this thing is done. As you can see, this is the website of Club 250 Cent, and the countdown as it is running, we have just 2 days left for the launch. So 24 hours, 48 hours is quite a good time for you to act very fast. In the past 3 to 4 days now, crypto has been appreciating. The last time I checked, Bitcoin was around $19,000, but as at yesterday, it picked up to about $21,000. I think I don't know what is the current price right now, but lately there have been a lot of significant appreciation in the cryptocurrency entirely. Okay, this is the back office of my C250 Gold or Club 250 Cent ticket panel. I have actually done some transaction. I'm zooming out. Okay, I have actually bought around 2,000 756 ticket, which equals to which equals to times two. One ticket of the C250 gold equals 2 gold. So for you to get the actual number of the C250 gold coin that I am entitled to is to multiply this by 2. But for the purpose of this tutorial and this training, I want to start all over again, okay? I want to start all over again. I'll be using another wallet address, or I will use another wallet for this demonstration. So I go out of this portal. So now to go by our lineup, the first thing we're going to discuss on this video is to assume that we're coming in afresh, okay? All we have is our trust wallet. So, and the first thing to do, which we have in our part one, is to know how to add Polymatic, okay? Polygon Matic to our trust wallet. So now, of course, you can create multiple wallets from your trust wallet. I have a multiple wallet, and I've just created a wallet here for this practical. As you can see, it's a 0 cents or a $0 wallet. And then I have Bitcoin, I have Ethereum, I have BNB, and I have BNB Smart Chain. But I don't have Polygon Matic. So what do I do? The first thing to do is to, let me get my pen, is to come to this circle you see I have marked here. Then you click it. Once you have clicked it, you just write Poly. This thing is very simple. Once you have clicked Poly, then you will see at the right side of it, I circled here, is an icon that needs to be activated. So what you need to do is to just activate it. Okay, it's as simple as that. I think we're already done with part one. Okay, as you can see, we are done with part one. It's as simple as that. So now, how do we know we are actually done? Is by seeing that the coin has appeared down here. So now we have a Polymatic. So because we want to buy a new ticket, I want to buy a new ticket. I want to do a top up. In spite of the fact that I have 2,756 tickets, which will be entitling me to some good number of gold coin. Now that I'm about to do another top up, another purchase, and I have done my part one requirement. Now what I need to do is to open my Polygon Matic. Okay, so this is an assumption that I am coming in afresh into this business. I don't know anything, and of course, I know I want to get all of these things done. So the first thing to do is to ensure that you have plans to buy the Polymatic. So being that as it may, I will have to come here to receive. Okay, now that I've opened the receive, so I would have to click this copy. This copy means that all this character here will be copied. So I will hit copied. So now I'm going to send, assuming I have someone who is going to send me Matic. So because I have copied, now let me go and paste it on a WhatsApp chat space. Okay, you can now paste it here and send. So this is my Polymatic address for that wallet. So now I'm taking that Polymatic address to a wallet where I have some dollar, so I can transfer. I hope you guys are following what I'm doing. I have to move to another wallet. I'm sure I have some dollar on this account. Okay, I have around $550. Okay, can you imagine? It was $515, but now it has risen up by $4 from $515 to now $519. Wow. So I will just come here, open this, at, from this background. Now I will be hitting send. Okay, I will have to be hitting send because I'm sending from this wallet to that new wallet I just created. So guys, I will hit send. Okay, so I will just hit send, And then what I would do is to paste the wallet address I copied from my other wallet, my other practice account, and then I will come here, I'll click maximum. I can either click maximum, okay, of course this is the maximum here. Now, but for the purpose of learning, let us know that when you see sometime you want to send, cryptocurrencies are written in fractions, okay, they are written in numbers. So sometimes you want to send certain value of your cryptocurrency, but you intend to send it in dollars so that you'll be sure of what you're sending. So for that reason, you let me clean up. So what you would do is to come right here and click Matic, okay, so that you can write in dollars. All right. So as it is now, if I want to send, I can assume I want to send $20 worth. If I write here, I can just write here 20. You see? So it means I am sending $20 worth of Matic. Okay, sorry. So when you have to hit the Matic, when you hit the Matic, you see US dollars. Then you can now write 20. So now you're sending exactly $20 worth of Matic. But what I intend to do is to send maximum everything right there. I am moving them. So what I would do is let me clean the 20. I hit the USD back to return a display of max and matic. So I'm going for the option of maximum. Maximum means it's moving everything, not leaving behind any fraction of the matic or of the crypto. So I now hit send. All right. So this is the summary of the transaction, asking me for confirmation, and I'm confirming. So asking me for password. I'm using my fingerprint to authorize the transaction. So now it is done. Okay. So now, let's get back to our practice account, the account we want to use for this transaction. Let's check if it has. I hope you guys are seeing my screen. This is practical. I actually named this particular account practical. So let's refresh the page. All right, you can see how fast Polygon network is. Within seconds, the transaction has landed. I hope we all know that Polygon Matic can process as much as 55,000 transactions per second. So this technology makes our business very, very inch free, very, very smart, and very, very smooth. So now I think we're done with part one, and we even went ahead of part one to ensure we fund our Polygon Matic in readiness to converting it to C250 gold. Now our let's go back to um, our um, guide and to know what we have in part two. Okay, part two is how to add C250 gold to Trust Wallet. So this is where you need to ensure you check out for where check out um, for the wallet address or the contract address of C250 Gold. So I have it here, so I have to copy. We are on part two now, guys. I hope you're following and paying attention because it's important. Now, what you're seeing here is the contract address for C250 Gold. Then this thing can be um, uh, um, manually imputed, or they are sometimes automatically imputed. So let's copy the contract address first. We use the contract address. We are copying the contract address now. And remember, this is contract address for V2. Okay, the second phase 2. So we'll now go back to the Trust Wallet. We'll now go back to the Trust Wallet. And so since we are now in the Trust Wallet, we have to go to the home page. Now we are in the home page. Okay, now that we are in the home page, so you will come to right here right here again, um, go to right here again. This is usually a column where you search for whatever token you want to search for. We'll hit here, you will type, then we'll paste the contract address there. Okay. Now, as you can see, the page has opened, but it shows that all the process has to be done manually. Okay. Um, after the listing of this coin, definitely all of these things will be automatic. So now what you have to do, and you can apply this at any point in time when you have the option to actually add a token manually. So you come to add custom token. You add custom token. Now you paste the contract address here again. Now after it is pasted, you look at the name. So let's reduce our page and go to our WhatsApp. Let's go to our WhatsApp. Now, as you can see, for the name, you are to copy C250 gold ticket 2. Okay. For the symbol, you also write, no, for the name, it has to be C250 gold. C250 gold. C250 gold 2. Okay. Then for the ticket, it can be C250 ticket 2. All right. Then for the decimal, you write 18. So now that we have this information, let's go back to the trust wallet. All right. So we say name C250, C250. Okay. What is there is ticket. We change it to gold and write 2 there, signifying that we are buying at phase 2. Then we come to symbol C250 gold, C250 ticket 2. All right. Then you come down to decimal, then you write 18. Now, after doing this, you OK it. All right. And say done. Now it is done. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope this tutorial is not boring, and endeavor to give us a thumbs up in the chat room, and also subscribe to this channel. Hit the red notification flank to subscribe to this channel. We'll appreciate that a lot. So now we're done with part 2. What other part do we have? Let's go back to our guide. So we can now delete this. Let's delete. Yeah, we're deleting. So let's go back. So what part are we now? How to add C250 gold to Trust Wallet. No, we've done that. So we are now on part 3, how to connect Polygon network to Club 250 Cent and also the Trust Wallet. So let's go back to the website. Now, this is cases where you now have to bring in your referral links. For those of you who have referral links, so how do we get referral link? How do we get referral link? Okay, let me go. I will go back to my page 1, my main account. All right, so I can get, assuming somebody is referring you. So I'm going back so I can collect my referral link. That referral link, you would use that referral link to connect to the Polygon network to your Trust Wallet. Okay, so now this is my first account. I hope you guys don't mind my picture or or the video atop the screen. So now I have logged into my first account where I have about 2,700 something and ticket, which is here. So to get your link, you just hit the copy. Okay, now then opt out of here, and then I will change the network again, the wallet again. I have to change the wallet. Then by coming back to wallet, then I come to practical. Okay, I am assuming that account, my account 1, my main account. I'm only doing this. I'm only changing my wallet in buying this new ticket for the purpose of this demonstration and practical. Otherwise, I would have bought done my top up on my main account. So I'm assuming that my main account is now referring this other account. So I have to use the referral link of that other account. So what I would do is now I have to come to what they call the DApp. Okay. I have to come to what's called the DApp. This is the DApp here. This is the DApp here. I'm trying to mark it up. So the DApp is somewhere below here, but I don't know if you guys can see it clearly. Is this place where you see 4 blocks? Okay, so that's the DApp. So you hit on the DApp. Okay, once you hit on the DApp, then you come to the browser space here. Okay, you come to this browser column here. All right, and then you paste the link. Now when you paste the link, then you okay it. So by okaying it or sending, you see it has now popped up that I should connect. It's requesting me to connect Club 250 Cent to my Trust wallet. So all I need to do is to click the word connect. Okay, I am connecting now the DApp of my Trust wallet through the Polygon network. I'm connecting it now to the Club 250 Cent website. All right. Remember, on part 3, we are connecting the Polygon network to both the Trust wallet and to the Club 250 Cent platform. So now we have succeeded in connecting it to the Trust wallet. The next thing is to connect the Polygon network to the Trust wallet as well. So where to do that is right here. Okay. The symbol you're seeing here is Ethereum symbol. So we are to remove it. Once you all hit there, this page will open and you click Polygon. Okay. Now it's requesting that we should now connect the Polygon to the Trust wallet. So you hit connect. All right, guys. I hope we're making progress. So this thing is handy. Every one of you can actually do it. It's not complicated, and it's not complicated at all. Just with a little practice, you would have mastery over this, and you won't believe it how this little logic you're seeing, these little clicks can actually help transform your life, connect you to the world fintech, the world financial technology, the world innovation. Right now, Club 250 Cent is going into blockchain. Blockchain comes with the feature of permanence, which means that this system can only be destroyed by our God Almighty. But anybody born by human cannot destroy this business. So if you're watching this video today, endeavor to take advantage of this video. Take action now. No matter how small, you can come in with, do it right away without wincing. So we've not gotten done with part 3. We're going into the last part, which is part 4, and the part 4 is how to now buy C250 gold. So guys, it's just a stroll, just a stroll. 2 days left, and then now you can see the progress so far. The community has sold around 20,452 um, tickets. So the next thing is to come here and then you write the amount you want to buy. Okay, remember what you are writing here is in Matic. Okay, my balance here now, I used my balance here is now 912 Matic. I have 912 Matic. So what we have to write here is 912. Sometimes one may ask, what do I write here? You write what you intend to spend from your balance. Okay. Each time you successfully connect your wallet through the Polygon network to your Trust wallet, you will definitely see the balance. You will definitely see the balance in your Trust wallet appearing here. If the balance in your Trust wallet metric does not appear here, know that you have gotten it twisted. Okay, so now we can now progress and proceed into buying. Then we'll hit buy. Now, once you hit the buy, there is always a signal generated from that click connecting the Polygon Matic to your Trust wallet, requesting that you authorize and approve that transaction. Then you click approve. Then I open. It's processing. Now the report is that it's submitted. Submitted here means it's successful. Then we'll click OK.